Hello, my name is Dillan Savage of Wirth Law Office, and I practice primarily in the Oklahoma City, Oklahoma area. Today we are going to be discussing the different types of products that can be sold at a farmer's market. So Oklahoma has tried to make this as simple as possible for individuals that are running and registering and selling products at farmers markets. They've placed a list in Title II, Section 5-3A.4. Now, while there is a list here, it can get a little bit complicated. There are still steps that you are required to follow. As one might understandably know, considering this is going to include the sale of food, the Oklahoma Department of Agriculture is going to want to make sure that individuals are safe and that disease is not being spread in some way by the sale of agricultural products. Additionally, you're going to have to jump through a few hoops with the State Department of Health. So let's just jump right into this list. You can sell raw and uncut produce. You can sell whole eggs, whole shell eggs, as long as it is properly licensed with the Oklahoma Department of Agriculture. You can also sell meat, again, as long as it is properly licensed with and in compliance with the Oklahoma Department of Agriculture. It also has to be in compliance and appropriately licensed by the State Department of Health. After that, you can sell baked goods. Now, it does have to qualify pursuant to the Home Bakery Act of 2013. Now, that was changed somewhat from my understanding in the Home Bakery Act of 2017. You used to only be able to sell baked goods like this outside of one's home, but it has been expanded to allow individuals to sell at farmers markets in certain circumstances. Now, that does not mean you get to sell anything and everything that you make in your home. From my understanding of the actual act itself, it does not allow you to sell jams and jellies, pickles, and salsa, but you can sell other certain goods and products such as bread, bagels, brownies, cakes, muffins, sweetbreads, baked candy, pastries, scones, snacks, crackers, stuff like that. After that, we're going to go into processed food and temperature control for safety foods that meet all local, state, and federal requirements and are made with at least a portion of ingredients grown or raised in Oklahoma or processed in the state of Oklahoma. Non-food items can also be sold at farmers markets. However, with that in mind, those items are going to have to account for only less than 25% of overall sales at the farmers market. The intent is that the farmers market is to sell different types of produce, meat, baked goods, etc. It is not meant for just selling, again, non-food items. And then you can also lastly sell any items listed in the rules promulgated pursuant to the Oklahoma Farmers Market and Farmers Hub Act. As I have said in a previous video, if this does not give you a full answer of what you can and cannot sell and you do not feel comfortable, you might go and in fact ask the manager or other individual running the farmers market, or better yet, go consult an attorney. My name is Dillan Savage of Wirth Law Office, and we would be happy to help you in answering your questions. If you found this video to be helpful or you believe it could help someone else, please go to theoklahomacityattorney.com, and thank you for watching.